Google just rolled out an update to Gemini inside Chrome that eliminates the single most annoying part of using AI for client research. You can now highlight anything on any web page: a paragraph, a LinkedIn profile, a competitor's pricing page, a Reddit thread, and Gemini instantly understands it without you copying, pasting, or explaining what you're looking at. That might sound small. It's not, because what just changed is how fast you can go from seeing something to building a deliverable around it. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you the exact prospecting prompt that turns this into booked calls, not research calls. You're going to want to stick around for that. I'm Paul James. I show solo operators and freelancers how to use free AI tools to build real service businesses. Without the subscription stack most people think they need to get started. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I'll reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Here's what most people are still doing. They're paying $50 to $150 a month for an AI research platform that does market analysis, competitor breakdowns, or content extraction. And those platforms work, but they also expect you to hand over that monthly fee before you've landed your first client or made your first dollar. I know what that pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage, trying to build something with no budget and no clients waiting. A $100 monthly bill before the first invoice arrived was not something I could absorb. That's exactly why tools like Gemini inside Chrome matter. And it's funny, the tools that get pushed the hardest in this space always seem to have the biggest commissions behind them. Just something to think about. What Google just released costs $0. It lives inside your browser, and it gives you the same research and extraction capability without the subscription tax. This is what I call the context layer method. Most AI tools make you describe what you're looking at. This one sees it, you highlight the content, Gemini reads it. The gap between noticing something useful and acting on it just collapsed to 1 second. That speed advantage is what separates solo operators who close deals from people still stuck doing manual research. Here's how it actually works. Open Chrome. Make sure you're running version 149 or newer. Look for the Gemini icon in your toolbar. Click it. A side panel opens on the right side of your screen and stays there across every tab. Now navigate to any web page, into prospect's LinkedIn profile, a Reddit thread, a competitor's homepage. Highlight the section you want Gemini to analyze. A small pop-up appears asking what you want to do with that content. Click it. Gemini instantly pulls that highlighted text or image into the side panel and understands the full context without you typing a single word of explanation. You can stack multiple highlights from the same page or across different tabs. Gemini remembers everything you've selected in that session. Now prompt it. Ask for customer objections from that Reddit thread. Ask for differentiation angles based on that competitor's pricing page. Ask for a personalized LinkedIn message based on that prospect's profile. The output is contextually aware because it already saw what you were looking at. Most AI research platforms lock this behind a paid plan. Here it's a free trigger built into your browser. Think about what this means for someone offering lead generation to local businesses. 1 session, 20 LinkedIn profiles researched simultaneously, every pain point extracted, every personalized opener written based on what that prospect actually posted about. That analysis used to take a full day of manual tab switching and note-taking. With this stack, it takes 90 minutes, and the tool costs nothing to run. That's a $300 setup fee built on free infrastructure. Let's keep building. Navigate to a Facebook group where your client's target customers hang out. Highlight 5 or 6 comments where people are complaining about the exact problem your client solves. Gemini reads all of them, prompt it to extract the 3 most common objections and rewrite them as hooks for social posts. You just turned raw market research into a week of content in under 10 minutes. Most social scheduling platforms charge you monthly to plan that content. The research layer is free here. You're only paying for the scheduling tool if you even need one, and plenty of solo operators don't. Here's another angle. A roofing company wants to know why their competitor is booking more jobs. Pull up the competitor's website. Highlight their homepage hero section. Highlight their testimonial block. Highlight their pricing structure if it's visible. Gemini reads all 3. Ask it to identify what makes their messaging tighter or their offer clearer. You just delivered a competitor analysis that most agencies charge $500 for. The tool cost you $0. The client paid you for the insight and the speed. Now, most people take what I just showed you and try to hand it to a client. That's where it falls apart. There's one thing you have to handle first or it looks amateur. I'm walking you through that right now. A real estate agent needs consistent social content but has no time to write it. She's got 20 past client testimonials scattered across Google reviews and Facebook recommendations. Highlight all 20. Gemini reads them. Prompt it to turn those testimonials into 10 Instagram captions with hooks, body copy, and calls to action. That's 2 weeks of content delivered in 1 session. She pays you $250 for the setup and a small monthly retainer to keep it running. Most content creation platforms bundle this inside a plan that costs more per month than your client is paying you. Your version runs for free because you're using Gemini's context layer instead of a paid extraction tool. Think about lead reactivation. For a plumber sitting on 400 old leads that never converted, pull those leads into a spreadsheet. Highlight the ones with notes about what they originally inquired about. Gemini reads the context. Ask it to draft personalized follow-up messages for each segment. People who asked about water heaters, people who mentioned leak repairs, people who ghosted after the quote. You just built a reactivation campaign that most email platforms charge a monthly fee to segment and send. The segmentation logic is free here. You charge $300 for the campaign. The plumber starts getting replies from people who inquired 6 months ago and forgot about it. One more. A chiropractor wants to show up higher in local search but has no idea what their competitors are doing differently. Pull up the top 3 competitors in Google Maps. Highlight their business descriptions. Highlight their service lists. Highlight their review response patterns if they're active. Gemini reads all of it. Ask it to identify gaps in the chiropractor's current profile and suggest 3 optimizations based on what the competition is doing right. That's a $400 local SEO audit delivered in under an hour. Most SEO dashboards charge you monthly just to pull that competitor data. The analysis is free here. And listen, if you haven't already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I'll reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Picture a solo operator running LinkedIn, prospecting for B2B service businesses. She opens Chrome, pulls up a prospect's profile, highlights their recent posts about struggling to find qualified leads. Gemini reads the posts. She prompts it to write a personalized message referencing that specific pain point and positioning her lead gen service as the fix. The message goes out. The prospect replies within an hour because it didn't feel like a template. It felt like she actually read what he was dealing with. That's a booked call. Most outreach platforms charge $50 to $100 a month to automate messaging, but still require you to manually research each prospect. This version automates the research layer for free and keeps the outreach human. She charges a setup fee and a retainer. The margin is clean because the tool stack cost her nothing. Okay, I promised you something at the start of this video. Here it is, the prospecting prompt that actually gets replies. After you highlight the prospect's LinkedIn profile or recent posts, paste this into Gemini. Based on what this person is publicly sharing, write a 2-sentence direct message that references their specific challenge and positions a lead generation service as a clear next step. Make it conversational, not salesy, no buzzwords. That's it. The context layer does the rest because Gemini already saw what you highlighted. Most people write generic openers that sound like every other cold message. This one lands because it's built on something real the prospect actually said, and it costs nothing to run. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once you have this running in your stack. A local business owner asks how you're getting such good research so fast. You don't tell them you're using a free browser tool. You tell them you have a system. Because you do. They don't need to know the infrastructure costs $0. They need to know the output is fast and the insight is sharp. That's what they're paying for. The subscription stack everyone else is carrying just became optional. You're running lean, you're closing clients, and the tool doing the heavy lifting is sitting inside the browser you already use every single day. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I'll reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.